everyone! Welcome to Review Infinite, the best product review channel on YouTube today. Today we're here again with another list of 5 best products on the market. These reviews are based on thousands of customer reviews and positive ratings. So, let's make a list of best products in this video.
Top 5 Best Wireless USB Adapter Reviews. Number 5. That Blink N150. .4 GHz band Wi-Fi covers your house everywhere. Upgrade your Wi-Fi speeds up to 150 megabits per second. Allows you to plug it in and forget it is even there. We will give you a replacement. 2-year warranty. Multiple people have to use the internet. Number 4. The Brust Trend.
Fed up with your computer lagging during streaming? Then you need the NetDyn AC1200 USB Wi-Fi adapter. This incredible device supercharges your Wi-Fi, turning even the slowest connections into streaming-capable networks. Say goodbye to those frustrating hours spent waiting on screens to load. The secret is its high-speed 3.0 USB technology and 5 gig capability, giving wireless speeds 3 times faster than normal. It increases the range of your Wi-Fi to 100 yards, ensuring full Wi-Fi functionality throughout your home. Now you can use your computer in those hard-to-reach spots like your porch or garage. It makes the perfect gift for friends and family members. You're going to love the NetDyn AC1200 USB Wi-Fi adapter. Click the link below to order a couple today.
You can get 867 megabits per second wireless speed. Superior stability on your desktop. Plug to any USB ports of your computer. USB 3.0 port with gold-plated works. More solid wireless internet connection. Brust Trend wireless USB adapter comes. Number 3. The Asus USB C6-8. Instantly upgrades desktops. Powerful 3-in-2 4MIMO design. Foldable external antennas provide enhanced reception. Dual 3-position external antennas. Item weight 13.6 ounces. Dual internal and 3-position external antennas. Number 2. The NetDyn AC1200. Our products for a long time, not just a couple of days, even across different countries. We believe the connection. Item weight 0.48 ounces. Router or have a broken internet card. Number 1. The Panda Wireless PU06.
3.0 wireless network adapters are compact network devices that can provide a computer with access to a wireless network. Our USB network adapters can be used in situations such as replacing a defective network card, adding wireless capability to a computer without it, or upgrading a computer's network functions to the latest technology. To set up, first download the latest driver from the TP-Link website. This is also the best resource to use to find out what OS or OS version an adapter may be compatible with. Once downloaded, you'll want to install the driver. Simply unpack the zip file and run the installer program. then follow the on-screen instructions. Some OS may support plug-and-play default drivers, but it is always recommended to run the official driver. Once finished installing, you'll want to restart your computer. Or for Windows users, your driver installation should look like this. Now connect the adapter and raise the antenna.
Works with any 2.4 GHz wireless. Supports both infrastructure. Compatibility information present below. Panda PA-U06 Wireless N USB adapter. Access your wireless network. Wireless connection speed 300 megabits per second.